When things go wrong in 2026, your pockets are your first lifeline. Whether you're building a shelter after a storm or tightening a loose screw at your desk, the right multi-tool saves weight, space, and regret. But with new materials, magnetic architectures, and tool locks evolving fast, which ones truly earn a spot on your belt? Today, I'm counting down the 7 best multi-tools for survival and everyday carry this year, from solid budget contenders to the absolute king of the wild. Let's start at number 7. 7. Leatherman Rebar 2026 Edition. Coming in at number 7 is the Leatherman Rebar 2026 Edition, a tool that feels almost timeless but received a crucial update this year. A corrosion-resistant Cerakote option and a slightly tweaked plier head geometry for better grip on wet paracord or fishhooks. The rebar is a no-nonsense, all-locking tool designed for people who actually work with their hands in unpredictable environments. Its core remains the same reliable stainless steel chassis, now with a more wear-resistant finish that sheds mud and salt water. Inside, you get 17 tools, including needle nose pliers, wire cutters that still slice a paperclip cleanly, a wood saw that punches above its weight class, a full serrated and plain edge blade, and an all with a thread loop for heavy-duty stitching of torn gear. What keeps the rebar at number 7 rather than higher is the lack of outside accessible blades. You must open the handles to reach the knife, which costs you a second in an emergency. Still, for survival purists, that's a feature, not a bug, because it keeps the profile slim and the mechanism bomb-proof. The 2026 version also improved the lock release springs, eliminating the occasional thumb pinch of older models. At roughly 6.5 ounces and closing to just 4 inches, it disappears in a cargo pocket or a survival kit's external pouch. It's not fancy, no one-hand opening, no magnetic driver, but if your survival scenario involves firewood prep, gear repair, and building a quick trap, the rebar delivers without rattling or failing. For EDC, it's a bit bulky for dress slacks, but for a go bag or truck glove box, it's near perfect. Leatherman's 25-year warranty remains industry standard. If you want durability over flash, this is your entry point to the top 7. 6. Gerber Dual 2026 Magnetic Drive. Sliding into number 6 is the Gerber Dual 2026 Magnetic Drive, a tool that rethinks the multi-tool from the ground up. Released this March, the Dual abandons traditional plier-based designs and instead focuses on 2 survival core tasks: cutting and fastening. At first glance, it looks like a folding knife, but the handle houses a magnetic bit driver with 6 stored double-ended bits, a replaceable carbide glass breaker, and a spring-loaded center punch-all. The main blade is S35VN steel, rare at this price, with a flipper tab and ceramic bearings for one-hand deployment. The genius is the magnetic exchange system. You press a recessed button, and the entire driver head pops out, letting you swap between flat, Phillips, Torx, and even a microbit for glasses repair. In survival terms, this means you can build a debris shelter, using the awl to punch holes in a tarp, repair a stove, Torx bits for backpacking stoves, and process kindling, all with one 5.2-ounce package. Gerber also added a ferrocerium rod that nests under the pocket clip, turning the spine of the blade into a usable striker. Weaknesses? The lack of pliers is a deal-breaker for some. You cannot grip a hot pot handle or pull a fishhook from a paw. And the magnetic driver, while clever, can pick up metal shavings from your pack. However, for urban EDC and ultralight survival kits, the Dual excels because it replaces a knife, a multi-bit screwdriver, and a fire starter. In 2026, this is the best answer to the question, what if I only need to cut, screw, and spark? It's not a traditional multi-tool, but it's an innovative one. Gerber backs it with a lifetime warranty. At $89, it's affordable enough to buy 2. The Dual earns number 6 because it sacrifices versatility for specialization, but for many modern survivalists, that's the right trade. 5. Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit MXBS 2026 Black Edition. At number 5, the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit MXBS 2026 Black Edition proves that elegance and brutality can coexist. This is the same legendary Spirit platform, but with a black oxide coating that reduces glare and adds a layer of rust protection in marine or sweaty pocket conditions. Victorinox finally listened to complaints about the original MX clip. The 2026 version has a deeper carry pocket clip and a one-hand opening blade on the outside, a first for the Spirit line. You still get 24 functions, including the best pliers in the multi-tool world, perfectly ground needle nose with a genuine wire crimper and replaceable cutters. The scissors are still the gold standard. They cut 550 paracord, zip ties, and even fingernails without dragging. Other tools include a wood saw, metal file, chisel, an opener with a small screwdriver tip, and a corkscrew that holds a mini screwdriver for eyeglasses. The 2026 black oxide treatment is not just cosmetic. Victorinox changed the surface hardening process, so the blades resist scratching far better than previous dark finishes. Weighing 7.3 ounces, it's heavier than the Gerber Dual, but lighter than a full-size Leatherman Surge. The handle ergonomics are flawless, rounded edges, no hot spots, and every tool locks with a satisfying hydraulic feel. The only reason it's not higher is the price, $179, which is steep for a backup tool, and the fact that the one-hand opening blade is on the same side as the pocket clip, making left-handed draw awkward. Still, for survivalists who need a tool that can skin a rabbit, splice a rope, and open a wine bottle to celebrate being found, the Spirit MXBS is art. Victorinox lifetime warranty is no questions asked. In 2026, this is the multi-tool you hand to your grandchild. It's number 5 because it's nearly perfect, but not quite indestructible. The scissors pivot can break if you abuse them on heavy wire. Treat it well, and it will outlive you. 4. SOG Power Leader, 2026 by Material. Number 4 goes to the SOG PowerLit Re, 2026 by Material, a tool that solves one of EDC's oldest complaints, weight. At just 4.8 ounces, the PowerLit Re is lighter than most single-folding knives, yet it packs compound leverage pliers, SOG's famous geared mechanism, a 2.5-inch blade in 9CR18 MOV steel, a diamond-coated file, a micro-bit driver, scissors, and a bottle opener. The 2026 update swaps internal steel liners for a glass-reinforced nylon core sandwiched between thin stainless scales. This by Material construction sheds nearly 2 ounces from the previous version while maintaining torsional rigidity. In survival terms, this means you can carry it in running shorts or a chest pack without noticing it until you need to cut a seat belt or tighten a bolt on your bike rack. The geared pliers are the star. They generate 3 times the grip force of standard pliers of the same size, letting you crush a hose clamp or turn a rusted nut that would snap a normal multi-tool's jaws. Downside: the blade does not lock. It uses a slip joint, which is legal in more jurisdictions but dangerous for heavy whittling or food prep. Also, the magnetic bit driver holds only 1 bit at a time. You have to store extras in the included plastic sleeve, which is easy to lose. SOG addressed 2 2025 complaints. The new version has a removable pocket clip and a lanyard loop that actually fits 3mm cord. For $79, this is the best ultralight survival multi-tool under 5 ounces. It's not a primary tool for a week-long bushcraft trip. You'd miss a wood saw and an awl, but for day hikes, urban carry, and vehicle emergency kits, the PowerLit Re is a revelation. It earns number 4 because it's the most likely multi-tool you'll actually have on you when something goes wrong. A heavy tool in a drawer is useless. A light tool in your pocket saves lives. SOG's warranty is 3 years, which is shorter than Leatherman's, but at this price, you can afford to be rougher with it. 3. Leatherman Free P4, 2026 All Access. Taking the bronze at number 3 is the Leatherman Free P4, 2026 All Access, the most fidget-friendly, one-hand operable multi-tool ever made. Leatherman didn't change much for 2026 because the P4 was already ahead of its time, but they added a replaceable 154 cm wire cutter insert and revised the spring tension on the pliers. The Free series is defined by magnetic architecture. No stubborn nail nicks, no pinched fingers. Instead, magnets hold the handles closed, and every tool swings out with a thumb roll. You can access the knife, scissors, saw, file, and even the ruler without opening the pliers. In a survival scenario where you're hanging off a cliff or your other hand is injured, that's a legitimate advantage. The P4 has 21 tools, including a diamond-coated file that sharpens fishhooks, and all with a thread loop, a package opener, great for MREs and tape, and a medium flathead driver that doubles as a light pry bar. The scissors are spring-loaded and cut through 10 layers of Cordura fabric in testing. Downside: the magnetic mechanism attracts ferrous dust. If you work around grinding or iron filings, the action gets gritty. Also, the blades are not as hard as the Swiss tools. The P4's 420HC steel dulls faster on cardboard or wood. However, you can sharpen it in the field with a small stone. At 8.4 ounces, it's heavy, but the weight is balanced and the pocket clip is strong. Leatherman added a removable lanyard ring in 2026 for kayakers and climbers. Price is $149, which is fair for the engineering. Why only number 3? Because the magnets can fail if you leave the tool near a powerful electromagnet. Rare, or if you bake it in a fire, don't. For 99% of users, the Free P4 is the ultimate glove box or camping multi-tool. It's not as bomb-proof as the rebar, but it's twice as fast. In 2026, speed matters. When every second counts, the Free P4 gets you cutting, sawing, or screwing with one hand while your other hand holds a flashlight or a branch. That's why it's a solid number 3. 2. Go is the GOAT Tool Gen 3 2026 Modular, the only multi-tool that lets you legally build your own EDC and survival kit from the factory. GOAT stands for Greatest of All Tools, and the Gen 3 finally solved the 2 biggest complaints of earlier versions: blade play and bit retention. The 2026 model uses a spring-loaded pivot lock that eliminates wobble, and the magnetic bit driver now holds bits with a ball detent, not just magnetism. What makes the GOAT tool special is the modular rail system. You buy the base pliers handle, available in titanium or stainless, then snap in any of 40-plus interchangeable tools, including a serrated blade, a gut hook, a ferro rod scraper, a comb for cleaning gear, a hex wrench set, and even a micro saw for PVC. In survival, this means you carry only the tools you need. If you're in the desert, swap the wood saw for a second water filter wrench. If you're in the Arctic, add the glove-friendly, oversized thumb stud. The pliers themselves are forged S35VN, with replaceable carbide cutters that snap through coat hangers. The overall weight varies. A minimalist build is 5.9 ounces. A full-loaded titanium version is 7.8 ounces. GOAT also offers a survival expansion pack in 2026, a tiny ferro rod, a whistle, and a button compass that fit inside the handle scales. Downsides: assembly requires a small hex key included and about 10 minutes of patience. And the modular system means more potential failure points. The locking tabs can wear after 5,000 tool changes, though GOAT sells rebuild kits for $12. Price is $199 for the stainless base plus tools, or $299 for titanium. Expensive, but you never buy another multi-tool. The warranty is 50 years, transferable. Why is it not number 1? Because modularity adds complexity. In a true survival situation, you don't want to be swapping tools in the dark while bleeding. But for serious preppers and gear nerds, the GOAT Tool Gen 3 is the ultimate expression of personalization. It's number 2 because it's brilliant, but not quite as bomb-proof as our final pick. 1. Leatherman Surge 2026 Heavy Duty. And the best multi-tool for survival and EDC in 2026 is the Leatherman Surge Heavy Duty, a tool that doesn't pretend to be pocket-friendly, because your life is not a fashion show. The Surge is the largest, strongest, most over-engineered multi-tool on the market, and the 2026 version adds 2 critical upgrades: a replaceable T-shank saw/jab saw holder, now compatible with standard jigsaw blades, and a stronger pivot pin for the pliers that eliminates lateral flex when twisting. At 12.5 ounces, this is a brick. But that brick holds 21 tools, including outside accessible blades, 1 plain, 1 serrated with a gut hook, the best scissors in the industry. They cut a penny in half, a replaceable wire cutter that handles barbed wire, a wood saw that outcuts many standalone folding saws, a file with diamond and carbide surfaces, and a large bit driver that accepts standard Leatherman bits. The 2026 Surge also includes a removable pocket clip, deep carry, and a lanyard ring that doubles as a tiny wrench for hex nuts up to 3/8 inch. In survival testing, the Surge battened through 2-inch hardwood. Do not do this regularly, but it survived, cut through a car hood's aluminum sheet, and the pliers turned a frozen gate valve that broke a dedicated wrench. The only real downside is weight. You cannot carry it in athletic shorts. But on a belt, in a pack, or in a vehicle, the surge is insurance. Leatherman's 25-year warranty applies, and the 2026 model fixed the previously weak spring for the scissors. Price is $159. Cheaper than the Goat tool, cheaper than the Swiss tool Black, yet more capable. For survivalists who need to build, repair, cut, crush, and improvise, from wilderness first aid to urban disaster response, the Surge is the final answer. It's not pretty. It's not fidgety. It's a tool that works every time, no matter how hard you abuse it. That's why, in 2026, the Leatherman Surge remains #1.